right now. Did a double tail whip yesterday. Hung up, almost went to the hospital, but he rode away from it. I guess it's too windy, Omar. You might have to throw some stickers over that way. In the ramp right now, Michael Marion. He's been over for bikes over Baghdad in the Middle East. We're trying to get peace in the Middle East out there. It's a crazy world out there. Bombs are dropping, people are starving. But right now we got food, we got money. We're living it good here in Southern California, so we are blessed. Very blessed on this Sunday. How's this beautiful weather? Best weather I've had all summer, Southern California. That's Mike Calderon right there doing some crazy tricks for you. He's a star.
Very late, said we never leave. Last night's dream, I promised you would have the whole world at your feet. And now we lay on a bed we made our leaves. Everybody put both hands in the air right now. We both know.
first show. She's right over there. Say hi, Everly. Yes. My daughter's at home in bed watching the stream. Everyone say hi, Rocket. She's been lazy. All right. We got one more song for you, but back in the day, all the girls used to get on top of the guy's shoulders. You remember that? You guys remember that shit? No, probably not. Well, we want to see, ladies, look around and find a big, strong man next to you and get on top of his shoulders right now. Can you do that for us for this last song? We got a dude on dude over